I love using technology myself and finding different ways of making my life easier. And so being able to work behind the scenes and create content and work with a great team of people that does that on a daily basis, it's really enjoyable. So a digital content manager's job is to use words, images, videos to sell a product to a customer. We write a lot of creative content, so blogs, for instance, destination page content, anything that we think that we can use to sell holidays to the customer. We speak to the social media team about the different types of content that they're pushing to customers and how we engage with them. We speak to the performance team that tells us how a piece of content might be performing, the metrics behind it, whether it's been a success, whether we need to make some changes for the next piece of content that we produce. We speak to the developers who make changes to the website, so we're constantly working with them as well to provide the users with a better experience when they're on our website. We speak to all different types of people in and around the business. I took a bit of a scenic route to get to where I am today. I did a business management degree at university and never really knew what I wanted to do with it. I'd always had a passion for writing, and I knew I wanted to do something with that. I actually spent a lot of my free time cooking as well, so I started up my own food blog. This was just a little passion, something that I used as a hobby, but I actually used it as an opportunity to get my first role within copywriting. From there, I moved to a number of different roles within tech, within sort of copywriting and marketing, and a few years later, here I am today. In a previous role, I was able to design and deliver a whole new corporate website from scratch. So we had a website that we used to talk about the business, to display job openings on, and it was outdated and it was badly in need of a refresh. And so I had the opportunity to talk to the stakeholders, scope out the requirements for the project, work with the development team to design the layout, the structure of the website itself, have a look at what sort of content would be required on the website, and ultimately deliver a really cool website that's still being used to this day. So it's important to have a good imagination. Creativity is key in this industry. It's also important to be able to demonstrate that you're dependable so that you can deliver your projects. And also you want to be encouraging. If you're working with a team of people, it's important to be able to keep them motivated. One piece of advice I would offer to someone who wants to get into content writing or content management would be to find something that you're passionate about and to keep writing about it. To write about it in your own way, in your own style, and to share that as often as possible.